In this lesson, we are looking at 6 AI tools and platforms that Australian businesses, educators, and professionals can start testing today. Some are free, while others are free to start and offer paid upgrades. We will look at ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, RTO AI Vox, Google Gemini, Canva, and Adobe Express. The goal is not to rank the tools by popularity. The goal is to match each tool to a real workplace task, then use professional judgment to review the output before it is used. The mistake many organizations make is looking for the newest AI tool before identifying the workplace problem. A tool only matters if it reduces friction. It might save time, improve communication, create a useful first draft, explain difficult information, or help a team organize work. Before testing anything, ask what task is currently slow, repetitive, unclear, or expensive. That is where AI has the best chance of helping. This approach also prevents teams from paying for tools they do not need. Use the task, risk, and output rule. First, define the task. Are you writing, summarizing, researching, creating a design, planning a meeting, or preparing education documents? Second, consider the risk. Will confidential information be involved? Is accuracy critical? Could a wrong answer create a compliance, customer, or reputational problem? Third, define the output. Do you want a table, draft email, checklist, summary, action plan, presentation, or social post? These 3 questions keep AI practical and responsible. The first tool is ChatGPT. It is useful for drafting workplace documents, summarizing information, organizing ideas, explaining difficult concepts, and creating action plans. ChatGPT has a free version, while paid plans provide broader access and higher limits. In a small business, it is often a useful first tool because it can support many different tasks. The result still depends on the instruction you provide. A vague prompt produces a vague answer, so explain the situation, the task, and the required format. Here is a simple workplace example. A customer is unhappy because an order is late. ChatGPT can turn rough notes into a professional response. The prompt should explain what happened, the tone you want, and the information that must be included. The output should not be copied without checking. Review the customer name, the delivery date, the promises, and any company policy. The value is speed and structure, but the final responsibility remains with the employee or business owner. The second tool is Microsoft Copilot. The free version can help with writing, brainstorming, summarizing, and real-time answers based on web search. It is useful when you want help thinking through a topic, comparing options, or summarizing a web page in Microsoft Edge. For organizations that already use Microsoft products, Copilot may feel familiar. Advanced integration inside applications such as Word, Excel, and Outlook may require a paid Microsoft 365 plan, so check the version available to your organization. A useful business example is early research. Imagine you are considering customer service software. Copilot can help you compare common options and explain features in plain English. Ask it to create a shortlist, identify possible limitations, and suggest questions to ask vendors. Do not allow the AI to make the purchasing decision. Pricing and features can change. Use the output to organize your research, then verify important details on the official product pages and consider privacy, support, and integration requirements. The third platform is RTO AI Vox. It is purpose-built for education professionals and people working in vocational education, training, and assessment. It brings together AI-assisted tools, a professional network, a jobs board, and short professional development courses. The operating principle is clear. The tools draft and the educator validate. RTO AI Vox is designed to reduce time spent starting from a blank page while keeping professional judgment with a person who understands the learners, the organization, and the compliance context. To learn more, simply check the website displayed on your screen. Without support, educators and RTO staff often start from a blank page, search old files, and rebuild familiar structures. RTO AI Vox can produce a first draft that gives the user something to work from. The professional then reviews it, adjusts it, contextualizes it, and checks it against the learner group organization, and current requirements. The platform is not claiming that AI output is automatically compliant. The purpose is to accelerate the starting point while preserving professional responsibility and sector knowledge. The fourth tool is Google Gemini. It can support writing, planning, brainstorming, comparing options, and explaining information. A free version is available, while paid Google AI plans provide higher limits and additional features. Gemini may fit naturally when a team already works inside Google services. A useful strength is changing the same information for different audiences. Always check the answer before relying on it for important business, legal, financial, or compliance decisions. One practical use is explanation. You can ask Gemini to explain the same policy or process for different audiences. A beginner may need simple language, a team member may need clear actions, and a manager may need the risks and decisions. This is useful in training, onboarding, and internal communication. The important review step is checking that simplification has not changed the meaning or removed a requirement. AI can improve accessibility, but the original source remains the authority. The fifth tool is Canva. It is useful for social media posts, presentation visuals, flyers, posters, short videos, and marketing drafts. Canva provides access to a range of AI-powered tools on its free plan, with higher usage and more advanced features on paid plans. It is valuable for people who need visual content but are not professional graphic designers. The risk is publishing something generic. Edit the wording, colors, images, and layout so the final design fits the business brand and audience. A simple Canva business example is a cafe promotion. Start with the offer, the target customer, and the desired action. Ask for a draft design and then adapt it into several formats, such as a square post, a story, and a simple promotional slide. The speed is helpful, but the final design must be reviewed. Confirm the offer, the dates, the image, the spelling, and the call to action. Make sure the colors and visual style match the actual business rather than a generic template. The sixth tool is Adobe Express. It is designed for creating social posts, short videos, flyers, posters, and other marketing assets. Adobe offers a free plan with standard creation tools and limited access to generative AI features. Paid plans provide more assets, credits, and brand management features. Adobe Express is useful when a small business wants to turn one idea into several visual formats without using advanced design software. As with every creative tool, the output must be checked for accuracy, originality, and brand fit. A practical Adobe Express example is repurposing one campaign idea. A small business can start with one product image and a clear message, then create a square post, a story, a flyer, and a short promotional video. This saves time and keeps the campaign consistent. The review stage is essential. Confirm prices, claims, dates, and contact details. Check that images and music can be used appropriately. Add accessible captions where needed, and ensure the final content matches the business brand. So, which tool should you use first? Match the tool to the task you need to complete. Start with ChatGPT for flexible writing, planning, and summarizing. Use Copilot when you need web research or quick answers. Use RTO AI Vox for vocational education and training, compliance, learner resources, and training and assessment workflows. Try Gemini for everyday assistance in a Google-connected environment. Use Canva for creating visual designs and presentations quickly. Use Adobe Express when you want to repurpose content or a campaign across multiple formats. Start with one workflow, test it carefully, measure the results, and then expand what works. The best AI workflow is the one that saves you time, improves quality, and fits the way you work. Free does not mean risk-free. The first risk is privacy. Do not upload confidential, personal, or sensitive information unless your organization has approved the tool and the process. The second risk is accuracy. AI can produce confident mistakes, so verify facts before using the output in a decision, report, or customer communication. The third risk is brand damage. Generic or inaccurate AI content can make a business look careless. Every public or business-critical output needs human review and editing. Here is a simple 7-day test. On day 1, Choose one slow workplace task. On day 2, write a clear prompt and define the result you need. On day 3, test the tool using safe information that does not include confidential data. From day 4 to day 7, refine the process, check the quality, record the time saved, and decide whether the workflow should continue. This turns AI adoption into evidence rather than excitement. Keep the process only when it improves the work. For deeper learning, my practical guide Use Artificial Intelligence Technologies to Enhance Business Operations is available as a Kindle ebook and paperback. It is designed for learners, trainers, employees, and business professionals who want to connect AI tools to real workplace operations. Educators, trainers, assessors, and RTO professionals can also explore RTO AI Vox. The platform brings together AI-assisted tools, professional networking, education jobs, and short courses. Its approach is simple: the tools draft and the professional validate. The next lesson is Prompt Engineering for Beginners. It will show you how to give AI better instructions using context, task, and format. Better prompts do not guarantee perfect answers, but they make useful results more likely and make review easier. Continue through the AI Skills for Work playlist for practical lessons that connect AI to real workplace tasks. Subscribe to RTO AI Academy for more practical AI, workplace English, and professional skills content.